It is mad rainy outside, and I really hope it does not mess with the audio quality of this video. If so, I apologize, y'all. All right, let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Nishay. Welcome. If not, thank you for tuning back in. I appreciate you. So y'all, I think it is about time for an updated mini twist video. It's been about 3 years. Wow, 3 years since my initial mini twist video. I found a different install method and I share that with you guys in my mini twist video, and a lot of people love it because I do have a scalp condition, so I can't really have the twisting hair touching my scalp because it can cause a lot of irritation. Plus my grip game is not the strongest, so getting it right on the root is a little sketchy for me. And it's very easy, it's very detailed, and I also did a full mini twist series where I share with you guys how I wash and maintain my hair and scalp in the style. So check it out if you have not already. As you can see, I have installed mini twists again. Let's do a quick little 360. Yes, 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 yes. Get into it. This is the first time I'm doing them this short since I initially installed them 3 years ago. Since then, I have installed the mini twists again at different lengths just to try them out. I have done the full length of like the twisting hair, and then I also did extremely long, which is what I did for my birthday last year. Took forever. The mini twist that I have installed now, I am using a different type of twisting hair. This is not the Cuban twist. Y'all, I'm gonna put y'all on. I have been enjoying this new twisting hair that I discovered, and I was low-key trying to gatekeep, but let me not gatekeep from y'all no more. The amount of compliments I have gotten on just this install alone, I love this hair so much. The hair that I'm using for this style is the Freetress Punta Cana twist, and it's the 3X pack. So you get 3 bundles of twisting hair in the pack, and usually 1 full pack, if you cut the hair in half, it'll definitely get you this style. You can also use 1 pack and use the full length of hair, and it'll do your whole head. You're gonna have to be a little strategic with your parting, like know where to put the larger parts. And if you want the extra long extended, you will definitely need 2 packs of this hair. I discovered the hair at a hair store in Baltimore, Maryland. Now every time I go to Maryland, I buy a pack of that hair. It is the best. Like this hair, y'all, this twisting hair, it is super soft. Well, not super soft because it's supposed to mimic like type 4 or 4C hair, but it is definitely softer than the Cuban twist hair. It's very easy to work with. The hair easily separates, and look at that, it's a seamless blend. I do wash and prep my hair before I install it because, like I've said, I do have a scalp condition, so it is important that I treat and wash any extension hair before I install it onto my head. So I also think that helped. Now that it's on my skin, it's not prickly at all. Even when my hair starts to peek through, it's not a drastic difference. This still looks like my hair. And this is of course in the color 1B. Y'all, get on it. If they have it at your local hair store, get it from your local hair store. I also have it linked down below. So for this look, I did use 2 full bundles, or almost 2 full bundles for this install. I separated the hair into 4. I wanted a very full yet natural look with this install, so I opted to go for smaller twists. I did do smaller parts than I did the last time, but in the back, as always, the parts are a lot bigger in the back. The only thing I probably would do different is in the back with the larger parts, I would separate the twisting hair into 3 instead of 4. But you could kind of see where my hair ends and where the twisting hair starts. I don't think the 1/4 twisting hair was proportionate to the part in the back. So this took me 22 hours over the span of 3 days. I did 9 hours one day, 9 hours the second day, and then 4 hours the third day. I'm not a speed twister. I don't do things quickly. I like to, you know, just go at my own pace. I prefer perfection, and a lot of the time spent for me is usually on parting because, you know, I just like my parts to look a certain way, you know. it's been about 5 weeks and I just did the refresh this weekend. This is my second time washing it. The first time I washed it was after 2 weeks, and it's been 3 weeks since that first wash, and so I just washed it again, and I did a retwist of the part because, you know, I'm a side part girly, as well as my perimeter. I'm probably gonna keep it in another 2 weeks, and then I'm gonna take it out because, like, right here, it's starting to roll up like it wanna lock. So 2 more weeks, and then I'm going to take this hair out. So that's about 2 months. And that's a good amount of time. I don't think this style should be in your head longer than 2 months. If you So the wash day technique is a little different because I have been dealing with a scalp psoriasis flare-up, so that means the products are a little different, as well as my maintenance routine. I am incorporating a couple different products. If you have not already, check out my scalp psoriasis series. In that series, I do talk about the products that I am currently using to treat my flare-up, and I have also incorporated those products into maintaining this hairstyle. My maintenance routine is pretty much the same in terms of how I apply the products. It's just the specific products themselves have changed. I am now using the Sulfur 8 Scalp Therapy Soothing Treatment. That is what I now use along with my braid spray. I still use the Sulfur 8 braid spray, and I don't really use the Sulfur 8 anti-dandruff conditioner as much anymore, only because with styles like this, it can cause a lot of buildup. So I just go over it with a hair oil. It is an aloe infused sunflower oil. I do that routine every other day. I don't go more than 2 days without doing that treatment on my scalp. I think that's about it for this style. All the products I use are linked down below as well. Feel free to leave any questions. And thank you all so much for your lovely, lovely comments under my mini twist video, just sharing how detailed and informative the video is and how it has helped you, install the style for yourself. I really appreciate it. I'm just so glad that my little hair hacks are very helpful to you all. If you do the mini twist style, email me a picture because I want to see, sis. I be wanting to see, and they just warm my heart. Whenever I feel like I'm ready to give up and be like, you know what, this YouTube thing not even popping, you guys always come in the nick of time with your amazing, heartfelt, encouraging comments, and it helps me continue on this journey because I know that what I am sharing, it is helping you all. So please continue to engage with the content, continue to like the videos, continue to leave comments. I read them all, and we see the results. Hey. Okay, so that is it for me, and that is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. God bless.